How to use Mistral Le Chat for business. AI tools are becoming essential for businesses, and Mistral Le Chat is designed specifically to combine productivity, automation, and privacy in one place. It works as an AI assistant that can help with writing, research, customer support, and even internal workflows. This makes it useful for small businesses, freelancers, and teams. So we're going to start off here. You want to start off by accessing the platform. So go to your web browser, type in Mistral Le Chat, and then here you have Mistral AI. You want to go over there, and that will lead you here. You will be given the terms and conditions. So read those, accept those, and then you can start using this. And then here you have the main chat box for prompts. You'll have a sidebar for any previous chats and projects or groups chats. And then you'll have tools like search and upload file here. And then over here you have the settings. So let's open up the tools, and then here you have code interpreter, image generator, canvas, and web search. Now let's go ahead and use LeChat for business. So let's go ahead with business writing first. Let's start with a common use case and type in a prompt. In the prompt, we're just going to go with a common one, and that's going to be write a professional email to a client. And there we go. I've put in my prompt, and it contains all details related to what kind of an email I want. So it says write a professional email to a client introducing our new line of eco-friendly office supplies. Highlight the product benefits, sustainability features, and mention a limited time discount. Keep it friendly and concise. So I think I've put in all the required information, and then we're just going to submit our request. And there we go. It says that here's a professional, friendly, and concise email draft for your client. And then it has the subject, dear, and I hope this email finds you well. And then you have the body of the email. You also have the key benefits, which they've generated. And then down here, you have the signing off. So this looks like a really nice email. And this is something which could save me a lot of time. I just have my email within a few seconds. Now, of course, you're going to go ahead and edit the details. For example, the code that it's put in, you're going to replace it with your own code. And then the key benefits, you want to go over those and make sure that everything suits according to your product. You could also give it more details on what your products are, and then it will include those in there as well. Now let's go ahead and try something else. And because we're a business and we have some products that we want to sell, now we need a product description. So I'm going to put in a prompt for a product description that I want LeChat to write for me. So the prompt is write a product description for a pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones. Highlight its features like long battery life, superior sound quality, comfortable fit, and portability. Keep it engaging and suitable for an online store, around 50 to 60 words. So these are all the details, and I'm going to submit in my request. And there we go. Within seconds, I have my product description. So just go ahead, review, and copy the output. So here, this is the product description. Just copy this, and then you can use it in your, and then you just copy it, and then you can use this ahead, or you can save it anywhere. So as you have seen, LeChat can generate emails. It can also generate proposals and marketing content quickly, saving time on repetitive writing tasks. Now let's go towards something else. LeChat can also do research and analysis. So now let's use it for research and ask it some questions. And the first thing I'm going to request it to do is I'm going to ask it to analyze competitors in my niche. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure that the tools, go over to tools, and make sure that you've selected web search here. And it is going to, so it's ticked, it is going to search over the web for the results. So submit your request. So now let's put in our next request, and that is going to be to analyze competitors in my niche. So I'm going to put in that prompt, and I'm going to ask it to analyze my competitors, but I need to put in all details related to that as well. So I'm going to ask it to analyze competitors in the organic skincare niche, focus on their product range, pricing strategy, marketing channels such as their social media, email, and ads, and customer engagement. Highlight their strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities strategies for our online store. So this is specifically the kind of analysis that I need in these specific areas. And I'm going to send in my request, and then within seconds, I'm going to get a really nice analysis for the organic skincare niche. Now I have all these details here. I have the key competitors. So these are the key competitors in that field. Then I have their product ranges and then the pricing strategy for all of these. And then also the different marketing channels being used, as well as customer engagement. And then I also have a table. So you get a analysis summary in the form of a table and then the key takeaways. So this is a really nice and detailed analysis and very suitable for any businesses to get their analysis from Le Chat. Now, what else you can do is you can also ask it to summarize any topic. So, for example, if I have a topic, I would just add in or upload that document here, or maybe even paste the topic here or the paragraph here, and then I can just ask it to summarize. Then I would just ask it to summarize this topic, and then it will summarize that topic for me instantly, and then I can get it. But make sure that over here, when you request it to summarize that topic, or when you request it to give you a competitive analysis, what you want to do is you want to click here and you want to make sure that under tools, you have a web search selected. So you want to select web search, and you don't need all these other tools activated right now. So you don't need all those other tools. Make sure you've selected web search. Now you could select all others as well, or more if you need, but right now you just need the web search. So then you can ask it to summarize any topic that you need to. And then all you would have left to do is just reviewing those structured answers. Le Chat can analyze information and provide summaries, making it useful for market research and decision making. Now with Le Chat, what else you can do is that you can upload your business documents. So you can work with your own data and upload files such as PDFs and docs, and then ask questions about those files and even request summaries or insights of those documents. So let's go ahead and try that out. All you have to do for that is click here on the plus icon and then go up here all the way to upload files. And then from here, I'm going to select my sales data and open that. And then there we go, it has been attached. And I'm going to erase this here. And then my file has been uploaded, and now I'm going to write in whatever I want it to do. And then I'm going to request it to give me a brief summary in words of this document. So I'm going to submit my request. And then there we go. I have a brief summary. So it says here's a concise summary of the sales data. This had all the sales data in it. And then it says the data set includes 50 orders, and then it has details on it. And then one of the headings is top selling products. And then we have the key customers. And then in the end, it's asking me if I would like a deeper analysis by product, city, or customer. So I don't really need that. I just needed a brief written summary. So I've got that as well. And we can see that we can enter in or upload our own documents and then ask it questions about those. Le Chat can read documents and extract useful information, helping with reports, contracts, and internal files. You can also use this for customer support content by creating support responses easily. So you can ask it to create a customer reply for a refund request, or create FAQs for my business, or you can ask it to customize the tone. For example, it could be formal, friendly, etc. This is going to help businesses respond faster and maintain consistent communication with their customers. So if you get the help of Le Chat with that, then you can also be you can have very good communication with your customers. And you can also organize your work using projects, such as keeping your tasks structured, and you can also create separate chats for marketing, sales, and customer support, and then group them into projects. And the projects are right over here towards the left. This file here, these are the projects. And then here you can create projects. So all you want to do is click on new project, and then you can create your project. Let's give our project a name. The project could be research, it could be writing, learning, coding, any of those. So I'm going to create a work project, and then I can organize my chats according to that. So I'm just going to create that. And then all my work related chats are going to go in here. So over here is my work chat, and I can start communicating, and I can talk all things about my work or related to my work. Here I can set the tone, and there are instructions which I can set, and I can customize the chat for myself. And then I can even upload any files which have not been added yet. So this is my project. I can create a new project, another one. That one could be learning. And then that project would consist of all learning matters and all chats related to that. Now, if I don't want to go to my projects, I can just start a new chat. And just like that, I can go back to the chart that I was at originally and continue my communications not related to any of my projects. Le Chat allows organizing chats into projects, making it easier to manage your different business workflows. So, Mistral Le Chat can act like a full-time assistant for your business, from writing and research to automation. It helps reduce manual work and improve efficiency.